Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete Reddit account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for reddit.com. Then just go ahead and log in your account. Once you've done that, you want to click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen and click on User Settings. And once you've clicked on that, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the Delete Account section. Okay, so just go ahead and click on Delete Account. Okay, so now just go ahead and check this. I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. Okay, and also here you can type the reason why you want to delete your Reddit account. So now, just go ahead and click on delete if you are sure about your action. Just go ahead and click on delete again. So now, your Reddit account is deleted. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.